Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Power BI template to create a map visualization. Let's start by clicking on Get Data to see a list of common data sources we can import from. We'll select Excel, browse to our file, and then click on Open. Afterwards, we will select Sheet 1 by clicking here. We can see a preview of the data on the right. When everything looks good, click on Load to import this data into Power BI. Next, we'll click on the ArcGIS Maps visualization. We'll resize it to match our template size of the map. When we're done, we'll click on the focus mode here to enlarge the visualization. Now, we'll go to our Fields column and select what we want to see in our map. We'll choose County to see a list of counties on our map. Hovering over them displays a tooltip of what you select in the Fields column. We'll select Location from the Fields column to see a list of locations on our map. Hovering over them will display a tooltip of both the county and the location. Clicking on the plus icon here zooms in on your map. You can drag your mouse to scroll to a certain area if needed. To zoom out, click on the minus icon here. If you ever wanted to hide the visibility of your map, simply click on the eye icon over here to hide all the fields displayed on the map. Click on it again to reveal the fields on your map. If you know an exact latitude or longitude of a place, you can import that data here in these fields. You can select multiple places on the map by holding on the Control key and left-clicking on each place you want to select. When everything looks good, go back to your report and you will see your map visualization here inside the Power BI template. Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.